శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni revealing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Sri Sukha Yogindra giving details of meditation to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Maharaja, this entire Srishti Brahmandam is Paramatma's Shariram body. This Paramatma Shariram has 7 ఆవరణాస్: భూమి, జలము, తేజస్సు, వాయువు, ఆకాశము, అహంకారము, మహత్తత్వము. ఓ మహారాజా, నవ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు విజువలైజ్ దిస్ ఎంటైర్ బ్రహ్మాండం యాజ్ పరమాత్మ అండ్ మేక్ షూర్ దిస్ బ్రహ్మాండం as Paramatma's Divyamangala Vigraham is stable in your mind. That is what you have to be meditating. O Maharaja, I am going to give you some more details. Patalametasya hi padamulam. This Patalam is Paramatma's feet. Rasatalam is just above the feet of Paramatma. Atala, Vitala, Lokas are Paramatma's bottom portion of the knees. Alatalam is one part of bottom portion of knees, and Sutalam is knees. Atalam is thighs. O Maharaja, this Bhulokam is Paramatma's Jaghanam. That means it is the bottom portion of back and the above part of the navel. O Maharaja, Nabhastalam Nabhisaro Grunanti. The entire Akasam is Paramatma's Nabhi navel. Jyotirmandalam is Bhagavan's chest Vakshasthalam. Maharlokam is Paramatma's throat. Janalokam is Bhagavan's Vadanam. Tapolokam is Paramatma's Lalatam. O Maharaja, Satyantu Sirshani Sahasra Sirshnaha. Bhagavan as a Virat Purusha has thousands of heads and he is glowing. Such Paramatma's head is Satyalokam. Indra and all the Devatas are Bhagavan's shoulders. 10 sides in this entire world, south, north, like that. All 10 sides are Bhagavan's ears, and the sound which is coming out from those sides are received by the Moola Indriyam Shravanendriyam. Paramatma's nose is Aswini Devatas. Like this, O Maharaja, Harimayamu Visvamantayu Harimayamu Kani Dravyamu Paramanuvu Ledu Vamsa Pavani Vinte. This entire Brahmandam is pervaded by Paramatma's presence. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra disclosing a process how to visualize this Brahmandam as Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.